It was all closed up. You can see Ford Motor Company right there. Starter was also in it as well, obviously. It's not some fake ass video like some goobers gonna try and claim. It's a legit mouse in the transmission there. And right in the bell housing. Time has come to see what's inside the where. Yep, that's a mouse. So Buddy here went for a little bit of a ride. Oh man. So what I think happened is somebody probably changed the starter or had the inspection plate off in general and then left it open for some time because Buddy also tried moving in. So got some stuff in here for a little nest.